Good morning, dear students. Today we will revise the synthetic indicators. Okay, in the previous session we have revised the natural indicators, and in this session we will revise the synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators means man-made indicators, and there are two indicators in your syllabus, that is the phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Okay, so phenolphthalein, what is the color of phenolphthalein? Phenolphthalein is a colorless indicator, and it just gives the pink color in the basic solution, and it just remains colorless in the acidic solution and neutral solution. Okay, so phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator. Okay, it is man-made indicator, colorless indicator. It gives the pink color in the basic solution, and it remains colorless in the neutral and acidic solution. And the second one is methyl orange. Methyl orange, the color of the methyl orange is orange, and it gives the red color in the acidic solution. Okay, and it gives the yellow color in the basic solution. Okay, so methyl orange, the color of the methyl orange, that is orange, and gives the red color in the acidic solution, gives the yellow color in the basic solution. So there are the two types of the synthetic indicators, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Okay, and there are the three natural indicators I have told you, that are the litmus. It is in the form, it just comes in the form of a litmus solution and litmus paper, and second one was turmeric indicator, and third one was China rose indicator. Okay, so the next topic is neutralization, and it is very important topic. Okay, what is the meaning of neutralization? You know about the acids and you know about the bases. So when we add the adequate amount of acid and adequate amount of the base, they just form the salt by the reaction. There is the chemical process. Okay, neutralization is a chemical reaction. So it just forms the salt and water. Water is the byproduct, and the process is exothermic. What is the meaning of exothermic? The heat is evolved. Always the heat will evolve. So what is the definition of the neutralization? The reaction between an acid and a base is known as a neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of the heat. So there is an example, that is the acid plus base is equal to salt plus water, and heat is evolved. Okay, and the most common example, that is the common salt, which is result of the hydrochloric acid and NaOH, sodium hydroxide, NaCl, that is the sodium chloride, that is also known as the common salt. Water is produced, that is the byproduct, and heat will evolve. Okay, so neutralization, the reaction between an acid and base. When the acid and bases are added, okay, in the adequate amount, the acid just destroy the basic character of the base, and the base destroy the acidic character of the acid and forms the new substance, that is salt. And water is the byproduct, and heat will evolve in this reaction. So the next topic is neutralization in everyday life. So first topic is the indigestion. You know that our stomach contains the hydrochloric acid, and it helps to digest the food. Okay, but too much acid in the stomach causes the indigestion. Okay, if there is too much acid, the food becomes too much acidic, and the stomach rejects the food, and it just comes outside. Means indigestion caused by the excessive secretion of the HCl. Okay, so sometime indigestion is painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid. अब antacid क्या है? Okay, acidic to antacid, acid is destroyed. The acidic character of the acid can be destroyed by the bases. So we have to take the base, and it can destroy the acidic character of the acid. Means we have to take some base. So most commonly used antacid is milk of magnesia, that is MgOH whole twice. What is the formula of milk of magnesia? MgOH whole twice. It is the most commonly used antacid. It is a base. It is a base. It neutralizes the acid, which is HCl. Means MgOH whole twice, that is milk of magnesia. It is a base. Just base destroys the acidic character of the HCl. Okay, and after that we feel relief. So it is effective. The neutralization is effective in our daily life in this way. Okay. So the next topic is, what is the next topic? That is ant bite. Ant bite, I have told you, the ant just contains an acid. Okay, ant just contains a acid that is known as formic acid. That is formic acid, and it is a natural acid because it is found in the ant. So formic acid, when the ant bites, its sting just contains a kind of acid, that is formic acid, and it is injected inside our body, and after that we feel the irritation at that place. So we have to take an antacid. So what will we have to do? We have to take the calamine lotion, or we have to take the sodium baking soda, that is the sodium hydrogen carbonate, and rub at that place. Okay, so we will feel relief. So, and calamine solution, which contains the zinc carbonate, which is also a base, and it just neutralizes the acidic effect of the formic acid. So it just neutralizes, means formic acid and calamine lotion, and which is just containing the zinc carbonate, it is just neutralizing the effect of formic acid, and after that we feel relief. So it is also effective. The neutralization, the fact of the neutralization is used in this way in our daily life. And third one is, that is soil treatment. Okay, so next topic is soil treatment. So what is the meaning of the soil treatment? Excessive use of the chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं अगर हम कोई chemical fertilizer, तो soil क्या हो जाता है? Acidic हो जाता है. And in the too much acidic and too much basic solution, basic soil, the plants not grows. Okay, so what we have to do? हमें करना क्या चाहिए? So we have to treat the soil when it just becomes too much acidic. What we have to do? Acidic हो गया है तो उसको क्या करेंगे हम? We have to add the base, and we have to add the calcium oxide, that is quicklime, or the slacked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, to make the soil neutral. यानी कि अगर वो एसिडिक हो चुका है तो उसको हमें न्यूट्रल बनाना है. ऐसा नहीं कि हम उसे बेसिक बनाएंगे, न्यूट्रल बनाना है. तो न्यूट्रल बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? वी हैव टू ऐड द बेस. और बेस क्या करेगा? इट जस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयज द एसिडिक इफेक्ट ऑफ द एसिड. So we have to add the calcium oxide, that is quicklime, or the slacked lime, that is the calcium hydroxide. Okay, and soil becomes neutral. And when it becomes too much basic, जब ये बहुत ज़्यादा basic हो जाता है, तब हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We have to add, we don't have to add the acid. Okay, हमें acid नहीं उसमें mix करना है. We have to add the manure. We have to add the manure and organic compost, that is the organic compost. So organic matters is added in it. Organic matter release acids which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. So that is the topic. And the last topic of the chapter is factory waste. That is the most important topic. The wastage of the many factories contain the acids. जो भी फैक्ट्री के जो वेस्ट होते हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एसिड्स होते हैं. इफ़ दे आर अलाउड टू फ्लो इन द वाटर बॉडीज, the acid will kill the fish and the other aquatic organisms. So the factory waste are neutralized by adding the basic substances, and after that it is allowed to flow in the water. Okay, so that is the factory waste treatment with the fact of the neutralization. Okay, so in this way the neutralization is useful in our everyday life. Okay.